Hi, this is Training for All. Welcome to this basic Microsoft Word tutorial. In this tutorial, I will be showing you the basic that you need to know in order to use Microsoft Word. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe so you don't miss any of our videos. If you've done that, please don't forget to share, like, or comment. Today I'm going to show you how to add a border to a page. It's straightforward. What you do is you need to click on Design, and when you click on Design, you can select Page Borders, and now you will choose you can select which border you want to add. In my case, I'm going to add a border with a shadow, so I will click on that one and click on OK. So you can see all my pages have a border. So you can just try the same. It's that simple. Just click on Design and then select Page Borders, and then choose any type of border you like for your for your document. So you can have a 3D one. See, that's the border I have. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, please don't forget to comment. If you haven't subscribed, again, please do subscribe so that you don't miss any of our videos. If you have any particular subject you want us to talk about, don't forget to comment below. Thank you for watching and see you next time.